So we're back with a brand new product from COMFIER. This is the Shiatsu neck and back massager. It comes with heat and compression. It's a beast. You can see the box is huge. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. Oh, it has a handle on the top, which is nice. So we got little protectors for the corners inside the box to make sure it's safe. And there's an accessory box inside. Then this is the actual chair. So it has two parts, the seat, and then of course the back piece. There's a manual here, and then a pretty straightforward controller. As you can see here on the controller, you have the power button, you have air back, seat, intensity, full upper lower back, you have the heat option, you can do spot, rolling, 2D, 3D, neck, and vibration. They even have a demo button, which allows you to basically try out, I guess, all of them. It's a very thin controller. I like that a lot. There's a little instruction here about the remote. All the things we just talked about. Which is really nice. And then you have your rollers here on the neck. Let me show you. These here are what's going to massage around the neck. And then if you have someone that has like oily hair or things of that like, you can always take this off and clean it, and that way you're able to keep your unit in pristine condition, which is nice. Inside the accessory box, it looks like this is where our power is. We've got a pretty good dual packed power that we give you lots of cord to reach whatever you need to reach. This, I'm guessing, is going to plug in right there. There's our power cord hidden there. So you got your remote and your power cord. It's on the bottom near the butt. And then you do have two straps here if you need to put this into a chair, which is really solid. Let's not doubt it. Let's actually set this up on this chair here, and I'll tell you my thoughts. Okay, sitting in the chair, hit the power button. Oh, this one. Good roller. So the back is the only thing that's illuminated on the controller right now. That's what I've activated. That's really nice. Let's activate heat. Now the air and the intensity of the air, that's filling up airbag is kind of like moving you around, like doing that. Let's activate the vibration to level 3. Okay. That's really good. I gotta tell you, I really like these kneading rolling balls on the lower back and upper back. It's very, very comfortable. Then let's do the neck. It's going to require me to lean my head back. Okay. That was amazing. The neck massage is probably actually my favorite part about this. The second, of course, being the rollers on the back. Those are really good. The vibration on the back and the seat is good. It's not, like I said, it's not the best. The best is by far the neck. Definitely. That is really an amazing back massager. Whether you're sitting on a couch, whether you're in your office chair, that is going to be quite the experience. Well, hopefully you guys pick this up so you can truly relax, and we'll see you guys next time.